Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I install this wig, stay tuned. And while you're at it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know when I post new videos. I received this hair from Beauty Forever Hair on Amazon, and the link to it is down below. It is another T-part lace wig, but it came with a silk base fake scalp, which was kind of weird being that it was only really needed on the part versus like an entire closure, but hey, it's whatever. And don't worry, you can still put powder on it if the color doesn't match your skin tone. It has 3 clips, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And what I really liked about this wig, that it was already pre-layered, meaning I didn't cut any of this hair. It came straight like that out of the box. I wanted to try another curl on me, so I did bombshell curls, and y'all, I am obsessed with it now. It is a 14-inch wig, and it says it was pre-plucked, but I didn't really think so, and I did pluck a little bit, but there is minimal parting space in the front, so keep that in mind. I do have a coupon code that you can use if you would like to purchase this wig, and trust me, you're definitely going to want this one in your arsenal. And I'm just going in with my powder to make the part a little bit closer to my skin tone. All right, y'all, so I put on the wig, and I don't know, I'm feeling this color, but what I must say is it is snug. Now granted, I didn't braid down my hair. It's like in chunky twists, so it's just a little, like, it's a little snug. My hair is right there, so I mean, as long as it's in front of my hair, I guess it shouldn't really matter. But it is feeling a little snug and whatnot. So there is that. So if you put on this wig and you gotta, and the thing is, my head is big. Like this is big, but the circumference of my head is not big. So I usually get like small size wigs because my hairline and to the back of my head is like 21 or something like that, 21 inches. So the fact that this isn't fitting is kind of discouraging, and I'm not gonna break down my hair because I don't feel like it. So we're just gonna have to do what it do and proceed as we normally would. The install, I'm going to be using Got To Be gel and spray to secure the lace, and for my baby hairs, I will be using mousse. You guys can look forward to new videos every Sunday, so make sure you have that notification bell pressed. Now it's time to take these curls out. They did get a little bit messed up because I was doing things while I had this on, while I was letting these baby hairs get laid, but we're going to fix that. Can we get into this face? Because this face and this wig are going places, and I'm here for it. I'm just gonna brush out these curls. Oh, cause yes, honey. Because you cannot tell me nothing about nothing. What are you gonna tell me? Absolutely nothing. Okay, now we're starting to get some shedding and whatnot. Okay, we don't necessarily be here, not here. This is a little too much for the face. Even though it's not terrible, but we need more of this. Now this wig did not shed at all when I washed it, and I did wash it before installing, as you should with any wigs that you get. The knots weren't bleached, and I didn't try to bleach them because the silk was sewn down and I didn't want to mess it up trying to, you know, perfect the knots. As far as the silk goes, you could definitely see where it began in the front of the part, but once I put the powder on, it wasn't as noticeable. Only negatives that I would have to say about this is I just wish that the lace went from ear to ear, because even if I like use my own hair in the front, it just wouldn't match. So that's the only drawback on this. So this is the final look. I actually really like this hair color on me. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, y'all, but it's giving me very much auntie, very much rich auntie vibes, and I'm okay with that. I'm very much okay with that. First of all, I didn't even know if this color is gonna look good on me, but it actually looks pretty darn good. I don't know, y'all. This is real cute. This is real cute, or whatever. And like I mentioned before, I was very nervous that this hair color wouldn't look right on me, but as soon as I was done, I was in love with it. I always wanted to try a wig that was kind of close to my skin tone, but never really had the guts to try it. And once they offered me this, I was like, yes, I definitely need to try it. And now, game changer. This wig is like fire, literally. Definitely go ahead and get it for yourself, and be sure to use my coupon code if you want a little bit of money off, because you know we can all save a little coin out here in quarantine, okay? That's going to be it for this video, guys. Like I said, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Make sure to thumbs this video up and share it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.